Hey guys, how's it going? So, in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how I'm a noob on options. I'm very new to options. I need a lot more knowledge. I guess I got lucky and I did well on my first time round. Now, I mean, if tomorrow's a bright green day, I'm screwed. I'm gonna lose quite a bit of money, and a bunch of contracts will just expire useless because I have a bunch of December 28th expires. So I'm gonna take punishment and lose a lot of money tomorrow. Unless the market declines 5% tomorrow, I'm gonna lose a lot of money. So yeah, well, I mean, I've already made up the difference from selling Microsoft and having a bunch of winners, but right now I'm at a loss, and I still kind of don't understand option trading. I mean, I understand it a little bit better now, but option trading is very complicated. There's a lot of things to know. There's a lot of things to learn. It's like a completely different beast than buying and selling stocks. You can make a lot of money, but you can, it's hard to know what you're doing though. It's like, I still don't know what I'm doing. I might have to call in and ask more questions. I might have to watch more videos. Maybe I should just try to find a course and then take it and then see if I can learn option trading off of a course or something online, because I'm still new to this and I don't really understand it 100%. But I'm not gonna stop trying. I'm gonna keep trying, but because options can make you so much money if you know what you're doing. But I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm a noob, but I'm starting to understand it better. Today's rally was crazy. It was down during the day, and then it dipped real hard, down 3%, and then it skyrocketed near the end. It feels like there's big money pushing the stock up higher and higher. That's what it feels like to me. So I mean, if these rich people are pushing the stock, it could get pushed out of bear territory, and we could have another rally to new all-time highs. You could. I'm not saying it will happen, but we could. I mean, today's price action did not encourage me at all for a crash. I mean, if tomorrow is green, if Monday is green, it feels like this whole crash thing was kind of overblown and it's not really gonna happen. But we'll see, right? We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens on Friday. We'll see what happens tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens on Monday, because I think we might have a green Friday and then we might have a green Monday. We'll see what happens though, because I don't know, the market might not crash. Maybe Trump is really backing it with his connections or something. Because in order for this stock to get pushed all the way up like this, there must be some real big money backing it. Oil is still down, but the stock market is getting pushed up. So this push requires a lot of money, because it was negative 3%. And it went all the way up to a positive 1.1%. And yesterday, it went from freaking negative all the way up to a positive 5%. And today has another rally. Tomorrow might be red, and then near the end of the day it might rally again. So that'll be pretty crazy. I think there's something internally, some kind of force propelling the stocks up, preventing it from crashing. That's what I think. I could be totally wrong. I made a call option on Disney near the end. It's a little down right now, but I decided to switch my mindset from bear to bull, because bear wasn't working for me. I'm not making any money, and I need to find a strategy in options where I'm always making money regardless of what the market does. So I can't always just keep doing put options. I have to find I have to find places where I put call options. At least this is what I think how you play options well. Someone called me, but I'm making a video, so I'll just call him back. Bank of America, like, is recovering. That's a good sign that we might, you know, we might get out of the bear market. So we'll see what happens, though. If we get out of the bear market, Aurora might rally, because in January there's pretty big like announcements coming, like earnings and more news on, you know, earnings for Aurora. Canopy could, I don't know, like I thought it was gonna go down $5, but it could reverse itself if Africa comes out with some really good earnings. The stock could reverse itself. I don't know, but the volume right now is kind of low. I'm not 100% sure. To me, just looking at the chart, like, the volume looks low. It looks like we're just gonna be heading down and down. I honestly believe we're gonna head to like $4, like the $5 level, but you know, maybe not. Maybe it'll rally. I mean, right now Aurora is holding up very, very well compared to like Canopy. Aurora should be in the low $5, and Aurora is hovering around 680 when Canopy is hovering at 640, 36.45. So Aurora is holding up very well compared when you compare it to Canopy. So I don't know if Aurora is gonna hit $5 now. I'm kind of questioning my gut feeling, really. Like, even looking at the charts, I mean, like, it's holding up very well, and January is just around the corner. January could turn these stocks around like big time, but right now the volume's low. We'll see what happens. I honestly believe that the stock's gonna go lower, like real low, and then it'll have a massive bounce. But that's my gamble. I don't know if exactly that will happen. T-God is also really on sale too. T-God is not holding well against the Aurora stock right now, and looks like a really good discount, honestly. But I'm thinking that it can go a little bit lower. I'm thinking, but if the S&P 500, the Dow, everything is super green tomorrow, it might push up the wheat stock. It might push up T-God stock all the way to like 250. I could be wrong, but that's just a short-term prediction in my. So Namaste. I sold off Namaste, hoping Namaste would dip real hard, but it didn't. It's holding up nicely. It could be a buying opportunity right now, or it could dip, you know, pretty bad. We'll see what happens. AMD, you know, dipped real hard today and then rallied back. Would have been a nice call option if I picked the bottom and did a call. Microsoft is up like big time. I put a put option on Microsoft. Well, if Microsoft goes back to like 110, 115, that would be crazy. I would definitely put a put on it just in case the market does a little funny correction again. If it went back to 108, 109, I mean, if Microsoft's gonna go back, I think Apple could go back. I did a call option on Apple. Apple could go back to 160 plus, or even 170, 180 in the short term. God damn it. I'll call you later. Anyways, I got people bugging me to call me, so I gotta make this video quick. Anyways, this should be 10 minutes. 9 minutes. Okay, shit. Microsoft is up too. Everything is just going up. I should have just did some call options. I would have been up massively. You know what? Screw it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to answer this. I'll wait 20 seconds. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I was making a video, and I guess the video is almost done. This will be kind of an awkward moment, just like they're watching a video of me making a phone call. Well, I was just making a video. I know I'm getting ready. Okay, anyways, it's 10 minutes, guys, so I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates. Have a great day. Bye.